everyone, I'm back from hiatus, unlike 21 Pilots. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I'm just lazy and unmotivated, and I'm a bad YouTuber, but you know what? It's fine. And like, if these parts of my hair keep like coming out, I'm sorry. I put my hair up once and then I was like, well, they're too long, so I cut them, and now they're too short, and you know what? They're not really growing. So just ignore that if I look like I have little Shrek ears. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. If you saw my what I got for Christmas video, you would know my sister got me a $250 Sephora card, and I spent, you know, $260. How does somebody that literally got a card for $250 go over the limit? Me. Anyway, I'm going to show you everything I got. I got it in like the beginning of January, and it's the beginning of February, so this video is long overdue. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and first I got Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 140. I can't read. Just dropped it. This is it. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm wearing a Revlon one because I didn't want to get it all dirty to show you guys. I mean, I can always clean it. I already got it pretty dirty. I really like it. I've only worn it like twice, and it matches my face really good, and it's very lightweight, and it doesn't oxidize too dark, which I hate because I'm not the palest person, but I'm also not the tannest person, so it's kind of hard to find a foundation that actually matches, and my skin changes color like all the time, and it's really hard to find like a foundation that's gonna stick, but this really matches my face. It's a little liquidy, so I kind of, the first time I used it, I got it everywhere because that's my life. Next, I got the Hoola Light Bronzer. I use the regular Hoola, but it's too dark for me, and I contour pretty heavily, like I can't help that. So I got the Hoola Light one, and I'm wearing it. You can't really tell because I'm bad at contouring, but contouring, I don't know how to say it, but I really like it because it's good for my skin tone, and it's very buildable, so like it won't create patches and like streakiness if you try and layer it, which I really like because I use a lot of makeup all the time. And I have the travel size version of the Hoola, and I got a big version, and it's nice. I already got a dent in it, so I mean, I obviously take care of my possessions really well. Next, I got a Laura Mercier powder, the mini one, because I wanted to see if I liked it first before I buy the huge one, and I really like it so far. It's really easy to use, but it like... Next, I got a little version of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I wasn't expecting it to feel the way it does, because like it feels weird on the hand, like the actual liquid, and then when you put it on your face, it just feels weird. It feels like you're rubbing a fabric on your face, but I mean, it's mattifying, so I mean, I guess that's... If I say I mean one more time, I'm gonna euthanize myself. Next, I got a little version of the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Instant Complexion Refresh, that's a long ass name. But the liquid's literally purple, and it smells like Fruit Loops. I don't know if I really like it. It does what MAC strobing cream does. I guess you can use it as a strobe cream. I don't know, I don't really like, I like the Smashbox one better. Next, I got the Becca highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. I got a mini one. My glow was on another level today. It's a lot better than having a broken e.l.f. highlighter. It's dirty. Oh my god. It's not focusing, but anyway, it's really pretty. Okay, that was too much. I really like it. It's really, it's kind of not that like blinding if you put it on like with a regular highlighting brush. Like not wet, but then I spray it with rose water, and then it's like really like... Next, I got the NARS Concealer in Light 1 Chantilly. I don't know how to read, but it's the lightest shade. And looks like this. I really like it. It's a little weird to put on, like it drags, like the brush drags your skin, so that's probably not good. I'm gonna get wrinkles. But it blends out really, really nice, and it goes well with my skin tone. It's not too pale for me, but I could also like use it on days that I'm not wanting to wear foundation and I just want like concealer to hide my acne. And it's really creamy and, you know, I like it. Next, I got the Kat Von D, oh, I just spit. Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ludwig. I'm wearing it right now. It smells weird. Like, it smells good, but it smells weird and I don't know how to describe it. It's really smooth on the lips, which is good. And it's a really pretty color. And when it dries, my lips stick together. I mean, it dries matte. It's just a little sticky, but like everything is. Next, I got the Anastasia. I still don't know how to say it. Like, I see people saying it both ways. In the color caramel. I'm wearing it now because my natural hair color is like a dirty. Well, it doesn't look dirty. Well, it doesn't look dirty blonde, but my natural hair color is like a dirty blonde, like caramel brown. So I got it because like my roots are like down to here. It looks better than the darker one I was using because I had black hair and it faded to a really dark brown, so I was using a darker one, but now that my roots are pretty much grown out, I needed a lighter one, so I got that. Next, oh my god, I got the Modern Renaissance palette. I wore it today, and oh my god, it is my child. This is like, oh god, stop the abuse, call 911, donate today. Don't judge me because I've used it 30 times because I've had it for so long. These are the colors. Yes, it's super dirty. Those are the colors. They all work so well together, which is good for a palette because like there's some palettes with like a green, a yellow, a blue, a purple, and a black, and a brown. And like you could mix those colors, but it wouldn't create like a nice look. I mean, it could, but there's like palettes with random ass colors that don't even go together and like you can't really blend them. And it comes with an eyeshadow brush, which I really like the brush. It's like one of my new favorite blending brushes. And I really like the palette. It's like my favorite palette. I didn't get this from Sephora, but I ordered these a few days later. I got 3 Morphe brushes. Oh, they're dirty, don't look at them. I got the Morphe R39, which is like a blending brush that you just blend your eyeshadow with. Then I got a Morphe R42, which is like an oval, kinda, I don't know, eyeshadow brush. And then I got a Morphe R36, which is a highlighter brush, which is my favorite thing because I was using another one from Target. Am I on ecstasy? No. Am I on Adderall? Should be. So yeah, that is everything I got from Sephora and Morphe. I think I put, no I didn't. There's never enough, you can never have. I just had like a stroke trying to say that. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And my social medias are in the description. I wouldn't follow my Twitter because I promise I only retweet Dan and Phil's tweets. Like, and the occasional Crank That Frank. Like, I literally don't do anything on Twitter and I rant sometimes. But I mean, you can follow it if you want to. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video, which you should be very excited for. I'm gonna cry thinking about it, but you should be super excited for my next video. But yeah, bye.